MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a tractor and a cat, E-I-E-I-O. With a brum brum here and a meow meow there. Here a brum, there a meow, everywhere a brum meow. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a wheelbarrow and a rabbit, E-I-E-I-O. With a roll roll here and a hop hop there. Here a roll, there a hop, everywhere a roll hop. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a barn door and a rooster, E-I-E-I-O. With a creak creak here and a cock-a-doodle doo. There here a creak, there a do, everywhere a creak do. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a water pump and a frog, E-I-E-I-O. With a splash splash here and a ribbit ribbit there. Here a splash, there a ribbit, everywhere a splash ribbit. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a hay barn and a donkey, E-I-E-I-O. With a creak creak here and a hee haw there. Here a creak, there a haw, everywhere a creak haw. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. The Rhyme Cartoon Club. Old MacDonald's farm, old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a tractor and a cow, E-I-E-I-O. With a chug chug here and a moo moo there. Here a chug, there a moo, everywhere a chug moo. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a combine and a hand, E-I-E-I-O. With a crunch crunch here and a cluck cluck there. Here a crunch, there a cluck, everywhere a crunch cluck. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a hay baler and a pig, E-I-E-I-O. With a squish squish here and an oink oink there. Here a squish, there an oink, everywhere a squish oink. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. 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 And on that farm he had a scarecrow and a sheep, E-I-E-I-O. With a flap flap here and a ba ba there. Here a flap, there a ba, everywhere a flap ba. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. E-I-E-I-O. Yay! Let's learn the ABCs. A, B, C. Come along and sing with me. Learning is as easy as can be. A is for apple, apple. B is for ball, ball. C is for cat, cat, mer. D is for dog, dog, hunch. E is for elephant, north. F is for fish, fish. G is for goat, goat. Cat. H is for hat, mutt. H. I is for igloo, igloo. J is for juice, juice. L is for lion, lion, girl. M is for monkey, monkey. N is for nest, nest. O is for van. V, van. W is for watch. Watch, 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 watch. X is for X-ray. Legs, X-ray. Y is for yellow. Yellow. Z is for zebra. Zebra. Now I know my ABCs. Next time won't you sing with me? From A to Z, learning is as easy as can be. Yeah! Clap!
Hi friends, don't forget to subscribe and join our happy learning family.
Come on kids, sing with me. Let's learn letters A to Z. Clap your hands and say the sound. Happy learning all around. A for apple, red and sweet. B for ball that loves to bounce. C for cat that says meow meow. D for dog that runs around. E for elephant, big and tall. F for fish that swims in blue. G for goat that jumps so high. H for hen that says cluck clue. I for ice cream, cold and nice. J for jeep that drives away. K for kite up in the sky. L for lion, loud and brave. M for mango, juicy yellow. N for nest up in a tree. O for orange, round and bright. P for parrot, green and free. Q for queen with shining crown. R for rabbit, hop, hop, hop. S for sun that lights the day. T for tiger, roar non-stop. U for umbrella in the rain. V for van that goes so far. W for watch that tick, tick, ticks. X for xylophone, guitar. Y for yak, so soft and slow. Z for zebra, black and white. Now we sang our ABC. See you soon, goodbye, good night.
Hey kids! Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you soon!
Choo-choo, here comes the train. Learning letters is our game. Climb aboard and sing with me. Let's explore our ABC. A is apple, shiny red. B is ball that bounce ahead. C is cat that says meow meow. Ride the train, let's learn it now. D is dog that runs to play. E is elephant, big and gray. F is fish that swims in blue. Wave hello as we pass you. G is goat on grassy land. H is horse so strong and grand. I is ice cream, cold and sweet. Yummy, yummy summer treat. J is jug, we pour some tea. K is kite, flying free. L is lion, loud and strong. Hear him roar along the song. M is monkey, swing, swing, swing. N is nest where birdies sing. O is orange, round and bright. Rolling, rolling, left and right. P is parrot, green and bright. Q is queen with crown so light. R is rabbit, hop, hop, hop. The ABC train never stops. S is sun that shines so high. T is tiger passing by. U is umbrella in the rain. Wave hello to the train. V is van that drives away. W is whale that loves to play. X is swaddle, ding, 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 ding. Tap the keys and sing, sing, sing. Y is yak on mountain snow. Z is zebra, watch it go. Now we learn from A to Z. Sing the song again with me. Choo-choo train is leaving now. We learned letters, take a bow.
Hi friends, don't forget to subscribe and join our happy learning family.